Hello everyone and welcome to today's Halloween Decorate and Clean with me. I'm Carrie and I like to make videos for all things homemaking, cleaning, cooking, and decorating. And we are getting ready for Halloween. So I'm taking care of a few things around the house today so I can go ahead and pull out those Halloween decorations and start feeling festive around here. I'm starting in my office because quite honestly, it's an area that I neglect. I just leave when I'm done with work and I don't come back in here. So I shredded some paperwork that I didn't need anymore and I'm putting the rest in my filing cabinet, not my cabinet, my little thing, which is busted open and I need a new one. I actually need to get a new filing cabinet altogether so I can go ahead and reorganize all those important documents. But I am just going to dust everything around here and then wipe things down. I'm using the Lysol all-purpose cleaner today to get things nice and disinfected. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more homemaking content. Homer Simpson is not my choice of decor. I have this tall bookshelf in here that my husband put a bunch of his crap on top of because he has a whole Rubik's Cube collection and Homer made the cut here, but again, it's not my style or my personal touch. Actually, I'd love to paint the walls a dark emerald color and make this like a witchy looking office with black and some nice velvet curtains, but we want to redecorate the kids' rooms and our bedroom before we come down here and make changes. Heading out to the garage to start bringing in our decorations and my favorite piece, which is our skull statue that we got from TJ Maxx. It was $60. The lights in the eyes light up and I just love the sparkles, and so I'm going to put this near my front door. So I got the statue in place and I moved this plant that we usually have there over to the other side of the wall by the piano so it can still get some sunlight. And here's our kitty Ghost. He is 7 or 8 months now, but he is so perfect because I had like finished decorating and had my candles lit and everything, and he came and laid right in between all the pumpkins and just took a little snooze, and it was so cute because he's just like the perfect little Halloween cat. But this is one of my favorite pieces that my son made when he was about 2 years old for Thanksgiving. I just love it. So I'm going to stick it in here until it's ready to take it out and it's closer to Thanksgiving. But I'm actually thinking about painting these candle holders. They do match the floors very nicely, but a lot of our stuff in our house is either black or it's like a warmer wood tone. So I'm thinking about spray painting them black. Let me know what you think I should do in the comments down below. Should I paint them or should I keep them the same? But now I'm moving on into our piano room, it's also the dining room. But I got a bunch of free music books and some of them I already had and some of them were like duplicates. So I'm going through those to see if I want to keep them or give them away to a friend that has a piano as well. And so I'm making a pile for her and I'm just organizing the other ones so I can put them away, and they actually didn't all fit in the bench. So I'm just putting random sheet music, like actual sheet music for certain songs, or like we have a Christmas piano book, and then I need to get a basket for in here for the other like lesson plan books, and I'm just going to organize that. And of course my kitty, always in the way, always very curious and wondering what I'm doing. Just give him some love here and there before I actually go. And I need to remove also some like goo. It's like adhesive from tape. When my mom moved, they taped the piano for some reason, and so it has like the adhesive stuck on it still. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get the Goo Gone and I'm going to try and get that off. able to get most of the adhesive off, and now I'm just going to wipe it down with some wood cleaner before I decorate it. I have a little raven and skull Halloween runner that I'm going to put on, and I'm going to make this like my Day of the Dead section because we have a bunch of skulls, sugar skulls, and a little haunted house. So I'm going to make this a little more fun and playful on this side and keep my more classic and neutral decorations for the table on the other side. I'm moving over to this antique desk. I'm just putting these witch spell books here. I got those at HomeGoods, and I painted that little planter, the skeleton head. We actually painted a lot of our Halloween decorations and made them ourselves. And I'm moving into the living room and the kitchen just to add some finishing touches. I have the Yogi skeletons from Trader Joe's. I got those a couple of years ago, and this is going to be more just like neutral fall stuff over here. But I added the black light. I added this little pumpkin plate for our keys and anything that we drop when we come in, and this other little pumpkin that lights up at the bottom. But this is how everything turned out. I moved some stuff around because my daughter came home and she was sad I decorated without her. So I took everything down and then we redecorated together later that night. But this is going to do it for today, guys. If you want some more cleaning motivation, make sure and subscribe to my channel. I'll have more cleaning videos coming up. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, happy Halloween and have a great time with your families. My neighborhood goes all out for Halloween, so we're going to be just perusing the neighborhood. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.